இது நம்ம சேனல் படிப்போம் ஆயிரம். Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. And today's first question is, what is the largest mammal on earth? Option A dolphin, option B blue whale, option C starfish, option D octopus. The answer is option B blue whale. Second question is, which bird is known for its impressive courtship dance performed to attract a mate? Option A peacock, option B sparrow, option C parrot, option D hummingbird. The answer is option A peacock. Third question is, what is the fastest land animal? Option A lion, option B cheetah, option C tiger, option D deer. The answer is option B cheetah. Fourth question is, which animal is known as the king of jungle? Option A lion, option B elephant, option C tiger, option D bear. The answer is option A lion. Fifth question is, what is the group of crows called? Option A raft, option B muster, option C flock, option D murder. The answer is option D murder. Sixth question is, which animal is known for its ability to change color to match its surrounding? Option A lizard, option B cockroach, option C chameleon, option D squirrel. The answer is option C chameleon. Seventh question is, what is the national bird of the United States? Option A bald eagle, option B African fish eagle, option C harpy eagle, option D golden eagle. The answer is option A bald eagle. Eighth question, how many hearts does an octopus have? Option A 5, option B 7, option C 2, option D 3. The answer is option D 3. Ninth question, which bird can fly backwards? Option A cardinal bird, option B hummingbird, option C peacock, option D crimson sunbird. The answer is option B hummingbird. 10th question, how far can an owl rotate its head? Option A 90 degree, B 180 degree, option C 360 degree, option D 270 degree. The answer is option D 270 degree. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.